give this boy a milk, man. So look, y'all caught me at a rough time. You feel? I'm finna head get a haircut right now. Anyway, I'm tired of looking like a bum. You know what I'm saying? But excuse me. But in this video, bro, I'm gonna break down everything I got done to my car, bro. You know what I'm saying? And before I even go into that part, make sure you hit that subscribe button, bro, and make sure you like the video up. Cause like I said, if you're not following me on my other social media, as in IG and TikTok, you're missing out. So on TikTok, especially TikTok, and everything will be a milk. All my social media is a milk. So like I said, in this video, I'm gonna break down every mod I have to my car that will help be like a blueprint for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned, man. Damn, like I said, I'm paying to get me a haircut. Look at Clemson. I don't know why they down here, but just stay tuned, bro. I'm just turn back on the camera when I get to my car. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm in my truck. And like I told y'all in previous videos, bro, do not drive your car every day. That's your choice, but I got the truck just to move stuff around. I can't do everything in my car, so I ain't a little ragged and dirty. I gotta get right. I'll be back, bro. I want to ask y'all a question to the racers, car guys in general. You know what I'm saying? So I always ask this question just to see. I have my own opinion on it, but you might have yours. But say for instance, everybody at the track, everybody got their own little car. You got the, I'm gonna keep it simple. You got the 5.0s, you got the Camaro SS, and you got the Scat pads. And I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna do nothing with no supercharge and all that, you know what I'm saying? Keep it in there. So everybody got their car modded. Everybody got the same equal type of mods on their car. You think the fastest car will win, or you think the best driver will win? Answer down below and let me know, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna ask I just like to hear people, you know what I'm saying, answer an opinion. You know what I'm saying? To me, it's gonna be the best driver. You know what I'm saying? Just because everybody can mod the hell out their car, have fun with it, but what if you can't put that power down? You know what I'm saying? Like, the track is prep. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, you think you can put that power down and get out that line before the next guy? Answer the question. You know what I'm saying? Down below. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Mother, Jesus! You feel me? Ooh. Alright, look. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt real quick, cause you know what I'm saying, I got a lot of text messages in my last video. All the gems I can give y'all, bro. Oh my God, Jesus. First thing, bro, as a RT owner, bro, the first thing you wanna get is a Z Automotive Taser. This little device right here, let me see. Can y'all see that? Alright, that right there. So with that, bro, it gets you line lock, SRT pages, what else? Cool down mode, what else? The lights where it flash all the time. Don't know, I forgot what it's called. I'm tongue tied right now, but it gets you all that. Light show, that's what it's called. Oh Lord. But it gets you that right there, bro. So I'm finna go into it. Right here, bro. This is what it gets you. Now, if you don't have a taser, you will have a regular setup where you just hit sport. That's about it. It's the only thing you change to. Right now, I can check out of it and go straight back to street mode if I want to. I can go to custom. I go sport. Y'all see all that? That's my racing setup, by the way, too. Automatically get launch control, then I get shift light also. So with shift light, bro, say for instance I'm racing, I'm able to set my RPMs where I want to switch gears at. And like I said, this is what the taser offer. You feel me? And I really suggest RT owners and Scat Pack owners can get it too, especially if you have the 2000 and older models. I believe with the 2019 model, Scat Packs come with track mode and everything else. With the taser, it's gonna give you make sure you guys get the bypass, because you already know after 2017 the bypass, the OB2 port is they got it knocked off, bro. Like they make you buy a whole nother bypass just to get to your into your system. So you make sure you guys get that. Get all that just for the taser. I think it's gonna be around about $200, bro. Solid $200. That's it. If they charge for the bypass, it should be like $210. You feel me? But it's worth that. You know what I'm saying? Especially for the 18 model and older. You know what I'm saying? From 19 up, you really don't need it unless you, as a Scat Pet owner, want line lock and all the extra stuff with it. Let's get into the performance mods. Let's go. So the first thing first is gonna be the JLT Intake, bro. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get this particular brand. I just went with this brand because I didn't want anything else. You know what I'm saying? This is what I saw. This is what I like. So I went with this, and this is gonna cost around about $300. You can get the Hellcat lower and upper intercooler, and they said that pulls great too. You know what I'm saying? You get a lot of horsepower and a lot of gains out of that too. You know what I'm saying? But this is not a must-have unless you want it. I say if you want to keep your car for a long time, like your motor clean up or a catch can, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to get the JLT. I got the JLT just because I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? Then I got Longtube headers. I'm gonna try to, matter of fact, let me give y'all a better view of it. Got the JLT headers, right? Let me zoom up for you guys so you can see. You see that right there. The catch can is gonna be around about $200. With the BBK Longtube headers gonna be around about $500, and that's about it. You know what I'm saying? Then go on to the 309 differential. You know what I'm saying? Gotta make sure you get that right there. You know what I'm saying? Like in my TikTok video, it's $700 for me. But nowadays, bro, 309, man, 309 different limited slip differential, bro, is $1,000+. So I suggest you go on Facebook Market or other websites and trying to find one cheaper. It may be used, but it's better than paying $1,000 and you put that $1,000 in something else, bro. Main mod, so all that can go into one, so you can feel all your power. The main mod you have to get is the Diablo PCM. So with Diablo PCM, bro, the swap method they do, all you have to do is go online, tell what type of car you have, put in your VIN number, you know what I'm saying, of your car, so you can let them know what PCM they're receiving. All they're gonna do is send you a device that I'm finna show you in the next clip, and they're gonna send unlock PCM over, and you have to send your lock PCM back to them. Simple process, bro. I promise. Easy and simple. And that customer service is great. They're gonna get back to you quick and fast, bro. This device over. Very simple and easy, bro. Very simple and easy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna plug it up for y'all just to let y'all see how it look. Y'all, another side note is called the i3. You can get another one that costs more expensive, where you can really go in tune with your car, as in getting the numbers out of it. But I have everything with the SRT pages on there, bro, so I don't need it. I'm gonna ask you a question like this, you want to say yes. So with my tune, like if you got I'm gonna break it down even more. So if you have a regular tune, put it in run position, yes, it's reading. Give it a little second, move around like a little grandma. So first thing you want to do, you can go to easy tune. You got a 93 octane tune, you got a 91 octane tune. You know what I'm saying? That's the tunes they offer. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was rocking with at first, but I'm finna go to my next step. I think I got you guys besides the program tune that they offer you with with buying it. You can, I have an email tune. And by the way, just in case I didn't tell y'all, the whole tuner on PCM swap is only $500, bro. That's like really, that's a really a good deal Diablo's offering. But the next step I did, bro, I got a email tune. You know what I'm saying? So with the email tune, I sent it over to Greene. Pretty sure a lot of people do know that's because that's where I got my information from. You send him over all the mods I just named, and he will get you a tune that's gonna make your car different, bro. You know what I'm saying? Very different. You know what I'm saying? Especially with the 309 differential that make both of your wheels spin like a Scat, you know what I'm saying? Get all the power that you want, especially when you're racing, especially when you're spinning, you know what I'm saying? This is a big mod right here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna show y'all this real quick. So when you have to go to advanced tune, that's just for email tunes, bro. I'm trying to make sure y'all see that. Let me lean up. Make sure y'all see that. So you can go tune select. Come on, grandma. I'm trying to make sure y'all see it, bro. See, you install tune, custom tune. That's what I have. So y'all see, you know what I'm saying? It's the government name, right? That's my first name. I'm gonna let y'all in on it. I'm gonna let y'all get to know me a little bit. So that's the email tune he sent over to me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna select it right now because it's already installed on my car. And sorry for that little beeping noise, bro. It's aggravating. You know what I'm saying? But once you get that right there, bro. Matter of fact, let me go back. I'm gonna select this right here. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna say yes. Hit continue. But you see the performance trans tune? You know what I'm saying? That, and when it says that, I got a transmission tune also with my regular tune J Greene served up for me, you know what I'm saying? So, but I'm not gonna install it right now because I already installed on it, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, just go more in depth for you guys with this device. You can modify everything in your car, bro. As in like the pedal response, the cooling fans, the idle, the MES. You can turn that off if you want to. I don't mess with the off-road. Then you have the rev and speed limiter. So like, I didn't mess with the rev. I didn't tell them to. You know what I'm saying? But you can if you want to. But with the speed limit, I think I clocked mine at 140 before I took it off. And I got it up to 180. But I never tried it, man. You know what I'm saying? Then you got the throttle response. Then you tell your tire size. But most of the stuff, if you don't get the custom tune, he do most of that stuff for you. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. I'm out here sweating, man. You hear me? Oh my God. I'm gonna be honest with you. This really a performance mod to me. It's regular street tires, but bro, these are 315s. Either you want to get slicks, bro. You want to get slicks, or just street radio tires, bro. So you can launch how you want to launch off the line. Like right now, bro, if I try to launch too aggressive, I'm gonna spin like crazy, bro, because I have so much power I said power. I have so much power added to my car, bro. I have to get the proper tires to spin and get off the line like I want to, because I love racing, you know what I'm saying? That's really fun. That's part of the process with this car. But make sure you guys get the right side, like tire size. You can go to 305s. I say 305s or 315s, preferably. You know what I'm saying? Especially since you if you try to get off that line, you don't want to spin. Especially, say if you race a Scat and they spin too much, you can get off the line perfectly. Y'all know about the email tune, bro. The email tune's gonna cost around about $300 just for a regular email tune. If you want the transmission tune, it's an extra $100. So it's gonna go $400 coming for the car, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, my other video I saw, I was looking at the SS, you know what I'm saying? Something more powerful, more fast, but I can make this into a monster, and I can show y'all how to do it, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot more stuff I got coming, so just stay tuned with your boy. Like the cosmetics, as far as what I got in my car to make it look good, the stars, and you know what I'm saying, I can go into that too. But I'm giving y'all the performance stuff just for right now, cause I believe if I go to the dyno, I probably make around 380, yeah, about 380, 385 in that little range right there, because I need a cam it. That's really the one of the things. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna say the top 3 things: cam, 309 differential, Longtube headers. And really, bro, you can talk about Scat Pack, bro. You would kill a Scat Pack until, like I always say, bro, to a Scat Pack mod itself. You know what I'm saying? But most people I know, bro, they don't mod their Scat Packs. They don't touch them. They just look good. They love to slang them, and if they do race, they don't know how to race them. But some people I do know, you know what I'm saying? They know how to race. But at the same time, bro, if you get all that done to your car, bro, you basically got a Scat Pack, bro. You got cheaper insurance, and you got a cheaper car note. That's why I say mod your RT, bro. Have fun with it, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all got me out in this hot sun, but I do for y'all. Love y'all. Appreciate all the love, especially on TikTok, man. All the people that been on TikTok, man, I appreciate all the love, man. Y'all been running me up, man. I appreciate it. Welcome to the fam, by the way. But make sure, like I said earlier, have fun with it, bro. Don't let nobody talk down on your RT. Oh, you got an RT. And I bet y'all beat you. You gotta have fun with it, man. Enjoy the process, bro. Just in case you guys want to get the 309 differential, I say for the 15 and newer models, bro, we don't need a tune. But I believe from like the 14 and older, you're gonna need a tune. You're gonna I think you have to change out your axles and all that, bro. You know what I'm saying? But for the, like I say, for the 15 and newer, you're good. Just plug and play. I say give it at least about 500 miles, but I know some people that slap that thing on, start doing donuts and burning out, going crazy, man. So just be careful with it, have fun, you know what I'm saying? All the love and support, bro. Go make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, drop your comments and thoughts below, man. Got a lot more coming to the channel, and got a lot more coming to my car, you know what I'm saying? That's my baby right there. So we got a lot of people request this type of video because, like I say, if you don't follow me on TikTok or IG, that's where I be at most of the time. If I'm not making, let me try shaking the camera. If I'm not making a YouTube video, because I like to make sure my YouTube video and my content be pure, fun, and you get to see my personality, bro. But I'm gonna end it right here. Like I say, hit that subscribe button right now, please. Come on now, come on now, please, brother. Y'all got me out here in this sun, man. But anyway, man, make sure I hit that subscribe button, that like button, bro. And hey, Milk, I'm out, man.